Hello Conquerors, this is Shubh Dolakia and you are watching Conquer World. This is part 1 for C programming language. Till then we have seen introduction to C programming language. So today we are going to see two topics. Right. First is what is code blocks and second one is how to get it installed. Right. So let's move. Let's see what is a compiler. So eventually when a US person meets a Chinese guy, then they both will need a translator. So in that way computer cannot understand our language, right? So we speak English, computer needs a binary language which is called 0101 language. So computer understands 01 language and we understand English language, right? So compiler is basically a translator which translates our language into the language of computer, right? So now what is code blocks? So let's see what is code blocks. Code blocks is open source cross-platform IDE. What IDE stands for? So IDE stands for an integrated development environment which provides us a simple compiler. So let's go on a new tab and find for code blocks. So type here code blocks. Yes. And there it comes. So we'll go with first one, codeblocks.org. As we go inside, there will be a download page, right? So we will go with the download page. In download page, there are some links given that download with binary release, download the source code. So we will go with download the binary release, right? So there will be 3 more links. That is, if someone is using Windows, Linux, Mac. So respective to your OS, you need to go to your link. So as per our ones, we are using Windows, so we will go with the Windows, right? So in Windows, there will be a CodeBlocks 17.12 MinW setup, right? You can see now. So you need to download this one. As in MinW setup stands for open source IDE that provides you with free compiler. Cool guys, so we will go with sourceforge.net to download it, and it will be downloaded in 5 seconds. It will start downloading 5 seconds, right? So we should not wait for it. And so I'm pretty much confident that you guys must have installed any type of software, right? So you can easily install this. So I do not wait to install it, and let's go to our presentation back. So in next lecture we are going to start C programming language, actual C programming language, because in first lecture we have just got lecture. So and second one is we are just going to start world famous program that is called Hello World program, and pretty much simple program. Cool guys, so we'll meet you in next lecture. Thank you very much for watching this.